What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about Samsung Notes, which is a user-friendly note-taking app that can create notes, also to do the lists, memos and much more, and it comes pre-installed in Samsung devices. So to get started with this app, for those who are using Samsung, you just have to go and click, you'll find it with this sign. Maybe by the time you're watching this video will be updated. Just click that one and you're ready on the application. So there are a couple of features or tools we need to explore on this Samsung Notes app. We're going to start with the first one, which will be categorization for notes or grouping the notes, and page setting as well. So for this one, how we're going to do it? First of all, once you are already in your Samsung Note and you scroll down, there's a part here for folders. So once you click to the part for folders here, on top right corner here we have three notches here. Once you click the three notches, you can see have the option for view, create folder, pin favorite to the top. So let's start first with this view before we come to create folder. So once you click the view, what it can help you, it can help you to arrange your notes in case you need them to how you want to see them once you open the application, which could be the grid small arranged, medium, large, or list. Simple list will be just like this, the way you see. I can scroll down my notes and it'll be maybe if I prefer to see my notes in this way. But if you need to view them in the grid large, let's say like that, or you need to view them in grid small like that, and you scroll down, these are your notes, how they look like whatsoever. So for this one we'll go to simple list. After we have known to how we could arrange our notes into a better looking view, now let's go ahead and look for the way we could create a new folder. So coming back, tapping on the part side for the folders here, on the back to the three notches here on top right corner, once you click create a folder, it will give you the option to create a folder, which inside you could create subfolders and rearrange your notes in a better outlooking way. So over here, like this is folder one, you could choose any subject you need to write, but for this I just leave it like that. Or we could just say today, let's say today, and select the color of the folder you are creating and click add, and you can see our folder for today has been added. So inside the folder for today, which you just created, you could create subfolders. So after you click like that file for today to create subfolders, you have to come and click here. Now you just see we have only one option, which is create folder. So this will be subfolder inside the today's folder. So click that, and here you could write maybe mornings like that, and choose maybe the color to be like that and click to add. So you can see like the morning and the today are different. Even if you scroll down, you can see today's color like that, and the morning subfolder is looking like that. So that's what the first one, grouping the notes and the view. The other feature will be opening our note. So you could create a new note by tapping on a pen icon here down, and it will bring us into this wonderful looking page in front of us over here. And here we have a lot of stuff which we're gonna discuss them. So we have the pen tools here, and these pen tools you can add color sets of your choice in case the other ones aren't available. And here on the pen option, once you tap over here, you can see we have fountain pen, we have calligraph pen, we have pen which is normal pen, which I'm just using now, and also we have pencil, and also we have calligraph brush, or kind of looks a little bit like highlighter, though highlighter are here. So once you come to highlighters option, you can see we have most of them just like two types, the one which is straight and the other one which is round. You can see that this which is straightened or had the ending which is edged one, and the other one which is kind of round, you can see ending in a round. So on pen tools here, we can change the thickness of the nib which we are using, but also we can change the type of the pen from pencil, pen, highlighter to eraser, and other options available. So once you click on the pen on top of here, you can see we can change from the size for the nib by scrolling from 1, you can go up to 100, but also you can change to how you need your style to look like, to be of linear looking or to have a little bit of semantic looking. But also if you come to highlighters here, you can see we can change also the thickness for the nib, but also you can change the opacity, you can see, so to make it more thick or a little bit light depending. And also you can change here the color by swiping here and choose your favorite color. But also in case you are in love or there are some of the preferable colors you can't use them frequently, also you could, and you like them, you could add them over here to your favorite. So once you scroll to your favorite, you just tap on the pen and you're ready to write like that. So you can see my favorites are here already like that, so I don't need to go back and forth and prepare or choose which color. I just go to my favorites and I'm ready to go. So the eraser tool is just over here, hasn't changed that much. You have only two options, the one which is the stroke eraser and the other one which is area eraser. So the stroke will just it depends. The stroke means will erase everything from when you start writing before the pen went off contact with the screen. But once you click the area eraser, meaning you just erase the specific area. So let me bring back, for example, let me choose the area, and here also I can choose the thickness for the area you need. So you can see I can just erase this part or this part or this part of out of all which I had drawn. But if I click stroke erase, you see once I tap it, everything goes away, like you delete the entire at once. So those are the differences for the eraser tool. This one, once you click over here, meaning now if you type, it changes direct into the handwrite. So let me write here maybe Ramose, and you can see it has been converted already to the text Ramose, and let me say subscribe. You can see subscribe. So this is handwrite to text tool, which is also pretty good to using. The other tool we got is easy writing pad for precise writing to a specific area once you're taking the notes. So if you click for this, like this one here, meaning if I had a very long note like I was taking and I just needed to write it precisely to this location, so it gives me the option here to write. Let me go ahead and click here the precise, so, and go to type now here. So meaning now I can just write into this area, or I need maybe to write specifically to this location. So meaning whatever I write here, like whatever I write in this location, it just precise to this searched box. So in case is better for the one once you're editing the document or signing to a specific area, or for a different tool, different activities, you can prefer to use it. Reading mode, and this is the mode which, in case, because if you wanna scroll down and up and you just need to go through your notes in an easy mode, so scrolling through the pen, if you have it and the pen is selected, once you scroll it's just like you're drawing. So if you click this reading mode here, meaning now you can scroll through your notes without disturbing or without writing anything on top of it. Once you tap it again, is you have exited and you are back into the normal mode. We have the drawing tool. So the drawing tool is just like here. Once you tap here, in case, this is very helpful for those architect or whatsoever drawing, those who are most likely like to draw some shapes or do the math or whatsoever. So meaning if I just draw roughly like the round shape like that and I leave it, after it turns itself into the perfect round shape, I can go ahead and draw like a triangle like that, and it just bring it into designated shape like that. So let me increase a little bit the ink to make it Yeah, so if I go and type and maybe draw like this, like that, and it will go and estimate into a nearby shape. So if you tap it like that, you tap it, now you have the option like you could cut, remove it, or you could copy and paste it somewhere in case you need to double, or you could delete or change the style or wrap text around or move forward. So if you click like change the style, meaning you could change maybe the color, the font, like that. Maybe you change and click done and it will be like that. But also we have the other tool here, which is like the highlighter. You could select a different color, let's say like this, and once you go through the notes, it just change everything. You see like that. If I turn this blue, this could be blue. So this is one of the my lovely feature also in Samsung Note, especially on highlighting when you go through your summary prior to final revision for exams. So you just know what are the like bullet point to go through before your exam.